Aloha! Kauai! Beautiful place! Coconut trees, hotels, mountains, sea. Wow! Amazing! Woo! What can I say? But before we continue, please click the subscribe button down below. Kauai in Hawaii. Kauai is among the most beautiful and remote islands in the world. Here you will find some of the most popular natural wonders in Hawaii. And a lot of beaches. One of it is here at Kalapaki Beach.
We're checking the wireless hotel and we're just about to enjoy the beach with this gorgeous weather. I think they're over there.
Okay, woo!
Kalapaki Beach is a clean beach that is very walkable from civilization and has nice sand. It's close to the cruise port and it's right at the Marriott. It is a protected crescent beach that is located just outside downtown Lihue. Kalapaki Beach offers a convenient place to swim and sandbag in the sea. Yeah, finally, our trip here in Hawaii, Kauai, Hilo, yeah, different islands in Hawaii come true. So here we are. Enjoy lang kami dito sa beach while our ship over there, ayun, nakadock lang siya. Wow. Beautiful sun. Bright sunny day. Here in Kauai, it's about 75 degrees and just right. Beautiful day. Wow, there are people playing volleyball here. Wow, galing nung isang yun ah. Super ganda. This is very relaxing. Well, you see that? It's our Norwegian cruise line. So actually this is our 6th day and we're leaving soon tomorrow. So back to Honolulu for we'll be on the way back to Los Angeles. So it's really enjoyable. Amazing trip. Another amazing trip. Here at Leon's World SL. we are just relaxing on the beauty of the nature. Wow, nice. Look at that. But it's not going to rain today. This is such a very good place. So pretty, so nice. It's good to be here. I enjoyed a lot. I feel so special, and I feel like a celebrity. Alright, yan suwag dasel. So feeling good, feeling special, feeling celebrity. Di ko napigil ang sarili ko. I'm the beach boy of Hawaii. Woo! Amazing! Ayan, gumaya na rin sila. Meet the beach girls of Hawaii. Here they are. They're running for their lives, enjoying the sun, the sea, the mountain. Beautiful people, beautiful place here at Leon's World SL. Woo! Coconut, hotel, beach, mountain, beautiful trees. Wow. What? Wala na palang camera dito.
Huwag kang mag-aano, babalik ko sa'yo.